So hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh, and today I am going to share you some interesting thing. Interesting thing means what especially this video is for all school going students, because I am just going to give you some scientific, some biological names for the human parts. You see, when we are in the school, we used to taught that these are eyes. What is this? This is a nose, this is mouth, this is ears, this is hair, this is hand. So likewise, in the small kids also, the moms and all, they used to ask that, come on, show me where is your eyes, where is your nose, and the kid very attractively she used to say like this and like this, like this, like this, isn't it? But today, when we are going to school, as we are going to the higher classes and classes, so more higher you go, you will have some biological names, some medical names, some medical terms for the human organs. And today in this video, just I'm going to share you only those things which are contained in our human body. Main things, because there are more than 100 parts, more than what we call, we cannot say 100 or 200, so many organs, so many names are there, each and every, because in eyes we have 15 to 16 parts. So if we calculate all the parts of our human body, we cannot complete it. So, but today we are just going to discuss some major points which are very common to our student. So first of all, I'm just going to give you some biological terms, and you just think that what does this mean, which organ this name is belong to. Now see, first of all, human face. We'll just discuss about the human face. First human face, oculus, O-C-U-L-U-S. See the first word, oculus, O-C-U-L-U-S, and somewhere, some medical terms, this organ is also known as orbital. Now, can you guess which organ? Just I'm giving you the face, only face. The organs which you can see very clearly on our face, that is one of the part is this. Can you tell me what is this? Orbital. Orbital. It's nothing but our eye. So eye is known as orbital. Now come to the next part. Buccal. What does this mean, buccal? Can you guess? Just I'm in the face only. I'm not just going out of the body. What you are seeing in human face, that a simple, that is also a very common thing. What you can see is physically there appears these organs. They are not internal organs. They are just external organs which you can see. Buccal is nothing. See this face, the mark portion. The mark portion is called buccal. That is, in common English we used to say cheek. Cheek. Now come to the next part, nasal, N-E-S-A-L, nasal. You might have heard, I think especially 10th class students, and especially the 10th class students, you are very familiar with this word. We have nasal cavity. When you used to read about the respirations and all, there you can have this word nasal cavity. But what is nasal? Yes, nose is nasal. These are some biological, scientific terms of our human body parts. Now one more, oris, A-U-R-I-S, oris. In somewhere you can see otic also, O-T-I-C, otic. What does this mean? Which part of us? See, I'm just in the face only. Whatever things you are seeing in the face, in the human face, that part we are discussing. What is otic? You know? Ear, human ear is called otic. Now come to the next part. These are also, you think you have, especially when you will go to the doctor, they used to write the term oral. Oris, generally oris, but they used to write oral. I think you know this word, but I think you are just getting bit confusion there. So this word is familiar to you, but you are just getting some confusion that which part of our human face is this or is. Can you guess? Yes, mouth. Mouth, the mouth part, the inside part, outside part, the whole complete set is called oral. Now, mentis. We can also say mental. Can you tell me what is this mentis, mental? Which part? Again, we are in the human face only. Now, can you guess me which part in the human face is known as mental or mentis? It's nothing but chin. This part, this whole part is called mental. Now, we'll just come a little bit lower. Cervical, cervices. These are also very familiar words. Cervical, cervices. So, can you tell me which part of this of human body, if human body is called cervices? Neck. This whole part is called cervical, cervices. This part, the whole part is called cervices. Now, it's a very common, mamma, M-A-M-M-A, mamma. We used to read in the biological terms mammary glands. Yes, if mammary glands, it is giving a big hint, mammary gland. So breasts are called mammary glands. Say mammals. What are mammals? Those animals which give directly birth to the young one, and the young ones feed on the mother's milk. So that is mammary glands. So mammals. Now it is carpus, C-A-R-P-U-S, carpus. Important, very, what do you call, we can also say carpel. Carpus, carpel. Can you tell me which part of our human body is called carpus? Yes, the part which I having the watch, this part is called, means wrist. This wrist part is called carpal. Digital. It's a beautiful word, digital. It's not digital. That electronic media, digital system, digital, that is not the digital. Digital also we have in our hand. Digital. Digital, you see, we can say one way we can give hints. Digital means it's related to numbers. It's related to counting. So from which part of our body we used to count? Obviously fingers. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, like this. So with fingers, the children used to add the numbers, the children used to subtract the numbers, but for adding, subtracting, small kids, generally they use fingers. So these fingers are called digital. But again, see, digital. So in digital, there is one more scientific word for digital, that is phalanges. Phalanges means fingers. Do you know each finger got its name? Generally, this is called thumb, this is called forefinger, this is called middle finger, ring finger and little finger. But this generally we used to call thumb, this is what you call forefinger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. But there are also, they have some other names. What is this? This is in biological term, this is called pollax. Thumb. Pollax. We can call it as a pollax. Pollax is thumb. Now another word, this is. So this is indica. Indica means, it's a Latin name to point out. So generally, to point out something, we used to raise this finger only. With this, we are just pointing out. So this is called indica. Indica means index finger, forefinger. Now what is this? Medio, middle. Medio means middle. So middle finger. And what is this? Generally, common name ring finger, but there is another word for this finger, that is annular. Annular. Now what is this? This is little finger, but generally in scientific terms it is called pinky or chico. Pinky or chico. Pinky means chotu, little. For the little girls we used to call lovely as a pinky. So pinky means small parts. So obviously this is small finger, so this is called little finger, but but some of the states they are called pinky or chico. Okay, thigh, yang. Do you know what is the scientific word? This femur, FEMUR, femur. Femur means thigh. And patella, it is also one of the important word in most of the biological terms. You can see patella. Patella is nothing but नी कैप, हमारे जो घुटने में जो राउंड कैप होता है उसको कहते हैं पटेला. नाउ पैडल, ये भी बहुत फैमिलियर नेम है. साइकिल को पैडल मारते हैं, किसको पैडल मारते हैं, उसको पैडल मारते हैं. पैडल किससे मारते हैं? पैर से. सो जो पैर का जो फुट है, the foot of the leg is called paddle. So like this, if you go on discussing, there are lots of things are there, but generally I have just chosen few words which are very familiar. What are eyes, what are nose, what are this, and what are their scientific terms that I have tried to explain you. So till now in this video, so that's all in this video till now. So we'll discuss with another topic in another video. Till then, goodbye. So one more request. सो जितने भी दोस्त लोग हैं, जितने भी सगे संबंधी, जितने भी लोग हैं, प्लीज़ अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो वी विल सी यू इन अनदर वीडियो विद some more interesting facts. Till then, goodbye.